In this video, I will show you how to join a Discord server without a invite. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is, of course, open up Discord and log into your account. I'll be doing this on the Discord app, but these steps are the same if you do use the web-based version of Discord. Now, once you're logged in, what you want to do is come over to the left-hand side to your server list. You might have already joined some servers. As you can see in my case, there's a couple of servers I've joined. But if you actually come down to the bottom of your server list, you're going to see the plus button to add a server. So what you want to do is give that a click. That's going to bring up a window like this. And then if you come down to the bottom, you're going to see it says have an invite already, join a server. Now, of course, don't worry if you don't have an invite, because when you actually click onto this button, it's going to take you to another window like this. This is where you would normally come to enter your invite link. But as you can see down here, it says don't have an invite. Check out discoverable communities in server discovery. So if you give that a click, you're going to be able to find different servers that you can join without an invite link. You can also do this from your server list on the left-hand side. If you come down underneath the plus button, you're going to see the discover button here. So if you give that a click, and what that's going to do is take you to a screen like this. As you can see, it says find your community on Discord. From gaming to music to learning, there's a place for you. So you can just come through now and browse the different servers available. You can also see at the top, we've got some different categories, for example, gaming, music, entertainment. So we can use this to find different servers. So for example, if we wanted to find a specific gaming server, I would just simply click onto the gaming category and then say we wanted to find the Discord for Valorant. As you can see, it's here. So what we would do is just simply give that a click. And what it's going to do is automatically join us into this server. So as you can see, it's going to let us come into the server. You can see I'm currently in preview mode. But if you come up to the top, all you need to do is click the join Valorant button. And just like so, we are in the Valorant server. So you can repeat this process for any of the servers available using the Discover feature. But basically, that is how to join a Discord server without a invite. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.